Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Citi app security to protect your credit card transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Citi app security for enhanced protection of your credit card transactions, enter your user ID and password to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings section of the app. This is usually found under the Profile or Account Settings menu. Look for an option labeled Security Preferences or similar. Select this option to access various security features. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This will typically require you to verify your identity through a code sent via SMS or email. Next, review your account alerts. Set up alerts for any transactions made over a specific amount. You can also enable notifications for unusual account activity. Returning to the main settings menu, check for biometric login options. If your device supports it, enable fingerprint or facial recognition for quick access while maintaining security. Make sure to update your password if it hasn't been changed in a while. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Finally, review your privacy settings. Ensure that you're only sharing necessary information with third parties. Once you have completed these steps, your Citi app is better configured to protect your credit card transactions. Regularly revisit these settings to adjust any preferences as needed. Stay informed about any updates or additional security features the app may implement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.